Hello everybody, very nice to meet you. Thank you for joining this live stream. My name is Andrew, this is ELCARO Trade, and today I have a pretty bad news for you. First thing first, with the 95% probability, this is the last live stream which I'm making for you here. I made a tough decision yesterday, and they supported me with this. We are giving you too much, and we're not receiving anything from you. First thing first, the likes, the things that you are not doing. For the last 2 months, I've been doing the for you on this YouTube channel, and we catch precisely every moment. I'm honestly trying to show you, in my head, basically, I was thinking like, I'm gonna be honest, I wanna be trades, I want to show people the forecast, I want to show people like the top 5, top 10, top, exactly the dates and why we are buying this, when we're buying this, when we're selling this. And I realized that only people in the private group, they are respecting the information by paying this small amount of money per month. I just realized that when my brother called me yesterday, and guys, sorry that I'm talking right now, the live stream not at 11 a.m., it's in 10 a.m. And I'm just gonna spend some time with my family. While people will join this. You see, even there is no cover on this video. So I just realized, like, I've been watching you since October, since you public mistake, you didn't listen to the algorithm Zcash. You showed to the people that you're expecting the price of the whole market will go down, but your personal position, which you own because someone told you to open this, and that's only my decision, there is no other. Since then, you start to spend so much time on the live stream, especially for the private group, or every day people receiving information. You start to proving people that you can survive, you can fix it. But losses, as the developer telling this, as tell you, just try to accept the because my losses, oh my god, it's happening again. Yeah, the FPS drop. Why it's happening? There is sometimes a moment what I see on the screen of the system, it shows that in some moments the FPS and the bitrate drops. I don't know why. So sorry for that. Maybe that's the sign. Yeah, this is the third live stream when we have some kind of problems with the glitching on the YouTube. But I will figure out it later. Then amount of win trades, and once again on 15th of January you're making mistake and you're starting to worry about the people, you're starting to worry about their positions, their assets, their portfolios. You're trying to give know that login, please, like, that's fine. If you don't like it, goodbye. Just turn off the screen and listen to the sound. I cannot do anything. I cannot do anything with that. So you're showing people, you like, you know, in Ukraine we said you're jumping out from your pants to prove something. And you're trying to show people as much as you can. But right now, your public accounts looks like and you feeding them. You're trying to give them service. You're trying to give them comfort. You're trying to give them something that will be healthy and useful for them. 1 week, when you cannot serve them the best food, or for example, you opening kitchen like today too early, or like in some days too late, you starting to make excuses because today you feeding people for free, not with the black caviar, not with the fucking, I don't know, good wine, good meat, or whatever. So for me, and no offense to you, you are homeless people. And I want to something. I'm doing donations all my life, especially for could solve their problems by themselves. So this is the public, how to say that, the public job, public. I'm gonna discuss the 15th of March. Right now, I'm gonna discuss the 15th of March. Was raised in, if it's not your parents or close friends, a joke, but the social media is full of hateful people, and more times during the weeks, during the months, trying to solve other people's problems. I'm trying to show with the positions. I'm trying to identify them. Previous videos from the Rodeo Drive, I'm explaining to you, or read the post in the Telegram. I'm explaining you about the guy who like I will resend it to someone else. But you're trying to explain to the person, you're showing to him, you're wasting your time. I didn't ask anything from him. He said this. So that's the people who has money. And people who has money, in 90%, you treat people, and that's why people treat you like shit. That's fine. That's fine, tribute. Take a look at this. You fucking poor bastard. And now you're gonna be, you know what? Because I can. And I'm gonna find you in the Telegram as well. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not treating like shit. I'm treating them the way I feel, and I need to treat them. Because there is the borders. And me doing this shit, how people constantly trying to get information from me. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. No, 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 my friends. This person thinks that he's opened my eyes telling to me something. No. There's a lot of people who's receiving from me respect, support, everything that I can give to them. There is a lot of people respectfully, okay, Andrew asking not to text him, I'm not gonna text him. Andrew said to us, there is the guide, read pinned messages, there is for 2 years in a row I've been to you, and right now I'm just tired of this. So that's fine. And nobody could tell me like, I'm doing my way as I want. And the only thing to receive information from me. You think I need your likes? No, it's you who need the likes. And because I'm the one who making rules here. Casa, not su casa. Comprende? And if I don't want to make this, I'm not gonna make this. If some his pity story about how hard to be Anthony, or how, or whatever other name they're using, how they are, how smart they are, how guys will act, react, etc., what they think about the price, what they want me to analyze. I'm good when it's happening here in the comments, but I'm not good when it's happening in my DM. I know what I'm doing. Once again, I spent more can even imagine doing the content, trading, and analyzing the assets. I know what I'm doing. Once again, you can watch any video here. You can go and find Ukrainian, everything. You can go, like, just spend some time and you will realize and why my haters are there. And yes, I'm making mistakes, because without mistakes I cannot grow. I cannot be better. But it's not about my mistakes. It's about my opportunity. This decision. If my partners will say, we've been telling to you this for 2 years, concentrate on people who's respecting you. So I will try not to read the messages right now. You can talk between you there. What I want to say, there is not going to be free food for homeless people. Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, nowhere. From now on, I will try to manage the content with the dates. For example, here is the screen, yeah? You see the screen? Give me a second. For example, now this is the whole screen, yeah? Here from the right and left side there is just the free space, but right now you will see the time and you will see the date. I cannot make up these things. That's the whole. So I'm gonna make the same live streams 5 times a week, 6 times or 7 times a week, videos for people here. I'm gonna go on the content as I'm doing. I'm gonna ask people what day is it today, as I've been doing this for the last couple of months. I'm gonna give them and after it works, we will show you the video. I'm telling you this right now. Maybe even stupid people, I will even manage mistakes. That's fine. People want only that type of the content, and I'm good. People want only, and I'm good with that. I'm gonna be the same angry, meaningful, rude, treating people like shit in the private group, where people understand he's honest with us. Why he's angry? Because we texted to him. He's not angry because he woke up like with the small hi. Yeah, like there's a lot of people all the time. No, he's just the way he is, and he's explaining to people. Don't text me. For example, today one person texted me, please don't block me. I will think about it. I will give it to you. For the last time, this video will be for you. To change the content for the public homeless. Once again, maybe you are not the homeless person. Maybe you always pressing the like button. But why I'm telling to you right now, to the viewer, if that was your home, I'm taking the key. I'm the landlord in between of us. You're not paying for these live streams. How to say that? Let's say there was the schedule, yeah, for the last 2 years. I'm Andrew here, no matter what's gonna happen, if I'm in Miami, if I'm in New York, whatever. Maybe it's a mental problems, like a couple of weeks or maybe months, and I'm gonna get back to this. Maybe I'm gonna start doing the same on the Twitch, because the Twitch gives promoted. Maybe I'm gonna get back to the TikTok live streams. I don't know, because office building or in front of the White House, like, give me abstain files. Fuck off. Fuck to everyone. No one could tell me. accept my girlfriend. So that's it, guys. I'm just letting you know. Why should I spend my time here? I'm making hundreds of $1,000s. I'm showing, I'm proving, I'm trying to explain, I'm trying to tell to the people. Even right now, I'm gonna turn on the screen. If I'm gonna go to 4-hour time frame, and we're gonna talk about the 15. What was told, or how to say it, said by me to you? No matter what the price will be, I'm gonna buy on 15. Price will be, I'm gonna do that. After that, I'm showing to the people. For example, this thing, exactly, the thing that I'm gonna delete right now, that, and that was given to the people right after the previous week live stream. Right after the previous stream, I start the live stream on the YouTube channel. I will show you. Not on the YouTube channel, sorry, it was a private group. Take a look at this. I send it message to the people, don't watch the live stream, there was the fucking... Yeah, take a look at this. Don't watch live, too many words. Stream, don't watch. And right after that, 1:30. Sorry, 2:50. 1:37 plus 1:18. So the live stream was a little bit more than 1 hour. That's why this time. And I'm showing to the people how and why I'm gonna open short position here. I'm catching this short position. And then everything starts to happen. As I said to you on yes, the correction didn't, but I'm explaining to you all the time that there is that sometimes price from here could be in flat. But what I'm doing, I'm gonna give you a chance to answer this question. If there is the forecast, the only thing, not because I think the alt season will be there, no, because and we've proven to you that it's not something that I'm made up. No, it's the fucking calculations. When I'm buying, when I'm selling, 1, 4, 5. When the trading, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell, buy, sell. You see these moments? So it means that I'm trying to show and explain to people my reaction on the market. There is lower time frame, there is higher time frame, there is everything that's happening with the price. I'm using this system for the second year. In May, using this system. And I cannot imagine my life if one or from my mobile phone, because I never saw anything that told me and said, Andrew, could you please send me the screenshot of your P&L? Yeah, of course, you can do this. Of course, like just take whatever you want. I'm not telling that system is 100% right, accurate, or the win rate of the system is 100%. No, there is sometimes miscalculations. And every fifth prediction, the IQ test for people. Go on the 18th of January, weekly live stream. From 18th of January, open every daily video on this YouTube channel. From now on, from today, you're gonna have a lot of time to rewatch this video. If after that, from 18 till today, you will see how we're showing, how we're drawing, then open the fucking chart. Yeah, connect the dots and conclusions. You will see how the system works. If you're not going to be satisfied with your analysis that there was 100% movement accurate, Go back on the 2 years at the beginning of this channel from the scratch. For example, every year I'm rewatching Lord of the Rings extended version. I'm rewatching The Hobbit. Sometimes I'm rewatching the Star Wars. Sometimes I'm rewatching the Game of Thrones TV series. Sometimes I'm rewatching something that I like. It's not helping me to manage my life. It's not helping me to make money in my life. But it's definitely something that gives me calmness and satisfaction from rewatching the same things. So it means that you can spend the same time and make your own list of accuracy. From there, the only way for you will be to join the private group, but please don't join it. You don't need to do this. Please don't do this, because in the private group, I'm more terrible person than you think I am. Because there is the fucking fight club. It's the fucking war zone. It's the battlefield. When I'm not trying to sussy-pussy with people, I'm just showing to them that the market will fuck you as hard as your first girlfriend, as the first been fucked by their godfather or what, uncle or whatever home. So the market will fuck you as hard as it can. And you should be prepared for this. And there is no playing. My liquidation price is close enough. No. And fucking smell the flowers. That's it. That's how the shit goes. If you are poor because you're stupid. You're stupid. Poor, and they've been stupid because they've been using the fucking system. You in the same system. They've been put it in the system by their parents. So only when you gonna tell to yourself enough for me or my kids, you will start to realize why this person so fucking honestly rude. And like this person who's treating people like shit, because people are shit. Remember this. I just recently realized what this beautiful man, her is sexy, oh my god, been telling to me on this live stream on the 15th of March. You will realize, remember the day when you could change your life, but you choose to be fucking stupid horse donkey in the system. Oh, I need to go on my work. Oh, I need to pay the bills. Oh my god. Oh, the feds will raise the rates. And only after that, you will realize that day after day, week after week, I'm telling exactly the same thing. I don't know, tape. I'm not using the stop losses. I'm not using the stop losses. My liquidation price is too far away. With that market, the things that starts to in October, but mostly the things that starts to in fucking October, November 2024, where most of you start to follow in this channel. When we show to you, like honestly, like, hey guys, just take off your fucking glasses, no matter what color they are, and realize that there is something more than the things that they are showing to you in the news. And I'm good with that. I'm good with all the trades. I'm good with all the forecasts. I'm good with all my actions. I'm good with all the results that I get. So if I'm gonna get back to the chart, you will realize that the main thing that I've been telling to you, to everyone here, since October, once again, go back and check the November, October videos. Go back and check. For example, the most popular video, when I'm talking to the ginger boy from Ireland, which was posted on the video, which was reposted in December again, when I'm telling to him exactly the things that's happened with the price. builder show to us that this is the bottom, this is the top. I'm telling you, beginning of March, I'm gonna get rid of my short positions, but I'm still gonna trade the short positions on the small amount of money, because who am I not to do this? If I made a mistake here, the only mistake that I made, I break the risk management, period. And shut the fuck up if you lose your money. Shut the fuck up. There is no way to discuss things like, oh, but you said. No, I said what I'm gonna do, when I'm gonna do, and why I'm gonna do this. Before that, the calls on the October, November, December, and even January was so fucking precisely good. But the greed and self-confidence that I start to feel like, oh my God, how good I am, how good the system, fucked me hard. If you're gonna go to the November videos, you will see how I'm telling to you that the price will be 96, 98, from there we're going to 83, 67, 72, and we even go, I showed you that we need to be on the 62 months before it happens. And the only thing that I'm receiving is the fucking bullshit. And no offense to every people in the world, if there was the system which shows to me how many like this person personally press, how many comments, whatever, if there was the AI system which I'm pressing on the subscriber and it shows to me that this is the good subscriber, this is the good follower, I will give you everything. I will give you everything for free just for the support. And please never text me, I was supportive, Mr. Andrew, I've been liking all your, you've been in Ukraine, I've been watching you, I didn't understand. Oh my God, Mr. Andrew, I even wrote like this. There is no way. So I'm just letting you know, the hand should wash a hand. And I've been telling to you that we are in that moment, and then closer to end of June, beginning of July, I'm expecting price 90, 100,000. Guys, I truly believe that the price will be closer to 100,000. I truly believe in this. Every day I'm giving people in the private group, every day the developer giving people to the private group. So once again, you're receiving from us, you've been receiving from us the information about the trading filters, yeah? You're receiving everything. And when exactly it happens, I'm showing either on the video, I've been showing either on the video on the YouTube, but definitely. But guys, this zone is still valid. There's a chance that we will see my brain are damaged, my mental health, by women, by parents, by followers, by someone. I'm that type of person. Either you loving me or there is no other option. There is zero opportunity to be a hater for me. No. You could be calm, you could be silenced, you could be like, I'm just gonna watch this stupid fucking crazy guy, but because like I'm making money with him. But there is no options to show me hate. Unfortunately, that type of the brain tumor I have. Unfortunately. So I've been showing to the people this thing. So if we're gonna go on the previous live stream once again, that's my expectation. Yeah, sell here. When we're buying at the bottom, we're selling at the top. On the previous live streams, I'm showing to you how I'm drawing these lines. Give me a second, I need to clear the chart. I'm showing to you how I'm drawing this line. What the fuck is wrong with this microphone? I need to double check the battery. Everything is good. I'm showing to you like the zone where I'm expecting, the zone where to exactly where this guy will be on top. So in my position, I'm reopening the short positions. I'm telling to you everything that I'm expecting, everything. So after that, I'm making the updates. Yeah, even this yellow line, which I'm gonna, let's say like I'm gonna turn it to the blue. This line, I'm making the updates. I'm expecting one more correction down. Fine. Updates. I'm gonna delete this line. I'm gonna delete this line. I don't need this. Remember, from here we need to go to the correction. And yes, I know that I'm best thing I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell it here. Don't be afraid. Until the end of the year. So I'm showing to you my expectations, then the correction, almost perfectly from this zone, almost perfectly. Before that, we catch in all these movements. Here I'm telling to the people that I'm opening short position. My entry to short position is 72, closer to 71. I'm starting to close the first, then second part, then third part. Then I'm catching this. I'm explaining to you, I've been explaining to you all the manipulation, all my thoughts, everything, etc., etc., etc. Like, that's fine. Just go and follow this Giovanni vintage guy who said to the people, just buy any Bitcoin in 2011. Just go and follow him. He's been putting you in the XRP, he's been putting you in the scam assets, everything like that. Just go and follow him. That's fine. Just go and follow any other influencer. I'm good. So, exactly it means here, when I'm gonna buy. But you know when I draw the white line? You know where I draw the white line? 2 days ago for the private group. On the live stream for the private group, I'm explaining to them, in my opinion, we're not gonna be here right now. We're gonna be here closer to probably 17, 18, 19, 20. And someone from you with the that type of people, right? The dates. I'm making fucking system. This system, couple of weeks, been showing to you buy here, and buy here. I'm buying. Hey, my girlfriend should buy also. We buy at the beginning of in the middle of March. But right now, why I'm not buying today? For example, take a look at this. Take a look at this message. That was my mistake. At 2 p.m. I'm typing like this. I'm not looking at the keyboard. Minutes after, when I realized that I made the mistake, sorry, I will open first part of mistake, like right now. My mistake here was my mistake, because people will put twice amount of money. No, just the first 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 p.m. Let's take a look. Here, you see? That type of people, that's not people with whom I even want to communicate. That's fine. All these people deserve the life that they're living. Let them be there, but not in front of me. So when I'm trying to tell to people what I'm doing, why I'm doing, when I'm gonna do this, etc., etc. For example, the Bitcoin, take a look at this. You know what? Will it be enough to go from the beginning of March for you? Something like, it shows to you how this, buy here, yeah? When we're buying at the bottom of the filter, every time on the previous post, you will see how the same thing was posted. Buy here, sell here, buy here. When we buy when we're selling on the top of the trading filter, when we're buying at the bottom of the trading filter. So, like, the price was here, the price right now is here. So when this price at the top is somewhere here, yeah, we receive information in the meaning of the divergence. So it means that from here till here, correction, from here we're gonna try to buy once again. So from here, with the div here was the flat movement. the price going up, the trading filter showing to you. If you want, you can catch this moment. If you want to you the last thing that's happening with here. So this thing's showing like by here only the last second of this. So this the same here. Far. I'm sorry, I go too far. The same. Take a look at the dates. But this post was made 2nd of March. Let's go to the next one. The 3rd of March, the update for the private group. So we're going on the last picture. Showing to you how with the trading filter, the price moving, yeah? Let's go on the second one. Buy, one more buy. Let's go on the 5th of March. Oh, it's 6th of March. 5th. So it shows to us a little bit more buy, sell. Yeah, the sell always happening on the top of the filter, always happening. You're not gonna sell here. Probably someone will, but March 12th sell, Sunday, March 15, today. Guys, this post was, and since then, no matter what's gonna happen, every post been once again, the same as you've been opening them. Once again from the middle of March, no matter what the price will be. I've been telling to the people in the private group, guys, my short position is so fucking small in the meaning of my long position, so I don't care about them. Everything that's gonna happen in the future here. And if you're gonna tell in that from the beginning of March, end of February, the price will go up until the end of March. That's it. That's my main goal on the bigger time frame. Because I'm already in the positions. My positions from 21st of November, 5th, 6th of February, 18th of December, everything is there. A couple days ago, I'm telling the people that I'm selling the Trump coin here, yesterday. Exactly at that time. Take a look at this. I will show you. And Trump. Take a look at this. Also, I sold Trump. So the Trump was sold at 13th of March, 6:25 a.m. 6:25 a.m. Here. I'm good. You know why? Sell. I hope you understand that. Right now, this guy, but I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna buy. If I wanna buy, I will buy a little bit. Full summer here, but I'm already good with that position. So let's get back to this guy. Been notified what Andrew did. So I'm not gonna do anything because this white line been showing feeling in my butt. Oh no, that's dildo. I have a strong feeling in my stomach. Yellow line will do that moment. So the next time when I'm gonna be, and I will tell you when you're gonna lose, and I'm gonna delete this line. I'm gonna delete this and I empty. When this line, no matter where, gonna be at the bottom. If and when there's gonna be the red, will probably destroy your deposit. Everything that you're expecting, that's the pretty good. You know what you're doing. I'm not trying to guess, not tossing the coin. I'm reading the chart. I'm reading. I even, like, show it to you. Here's the systems. I'm teaching the AI to improve analyzing the absolutely that you're telling to him to analyze. So once again, my friend, everything that's been showed to you here for the last couple of weeks, this buy point, this buy point, this buy point, I'm not gonna move them. I'm not gonna move them. From the 1 hour or from the 4 hour, give us small correction. And people in the private group been notified. Guys, could be like this. We could see the price going higher and then we're coming back to $70,000, $69,000. Closer to the next couple of days, everything could happen because the market is absolutely insane. And the only thing that I need to try not to a relationship with my family and my homeless followers, I will say I'm sorry, friends. I'm sorry that I didn't notify you. I need to do this, but I don't have time. For the first time in 20 years ago, I drink. Cheers. So, I know that it's tough. I know. Way more easy is 1 per month salary in your bank account. That's the easiest way. The office. I've been trying to explain you. I've been trying to notify you. Trying to check everything. I'm creating the notifications. I'm creating the things. For example, I will show you the things that I create. Yeah. A little bit of things that help in my mental disease. I'm making this type of things. Yeah, for example, yesterday I spent 3. I'm good. Spending my time to creating this. People who are in the private group or to the developer, they submitted the questions. If I'm gonna go to the admin, take a look at this. For example, you see there is right now only 180. There will be the 7 pending questions in the private group, or I can just mark it on the live stream and people will answer the time. So I'm trying to create something useful, not because I need to do that, because it's calming me down. It helps me to survive stupidity of this nature. For example, right now, people in Ukrainian group will receive this is the long signal. What I'm doing, I'm sending the message to the AI and send this message to the people in the private group. I will show you. Take a look at this. This is the Ukrainian group. You see? ELCARO assist, AI, and right now, oh no, not this one. It was 329. Right now, give me a second, please. Where's that? He said that it should be here. Wow. Oh my God. I'm asking him why you not to me right now that video are lagging. You think that I don't know this? If you're not happy with this, I don't know why. Take a look at this. He forgot to reset the previous one. I sent few signals early in the doing this. I will show you. Here is the assistant, and I'm sending to him like, why you not doing this? And he's telling to me like, yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot. Sometimes shit happens, and this shit happens, signals, but it's not something that I need to do. I'm just paying for one group for the signals, and I'm willingly sharing these signals with the group just to check how this signals works. So this is the panel for people, but this is the thing that helps me to do something. Why I spend a lot of time. Yeah, like this. All these buttons I create. Right now it was going to be used. You see? Give me a second. I'm gonna tell to the AI to make this button here too big. But the main thing here, yeah, we're choosing the date. We're choosing the next date. To make the button to calculate all the dates. I asked him to do this right now. In a couple of minutes, you will see that there is the main thing here, yeah? Don't go here. It's something for smart people. You need to go here, yeah? Guys will be during these dates. But the main thing, and you can make the screenshot, the sigma one showing to us the probability that the price not gonna be there. Sigma 2, 95% probability. So here we can take a look where we expect the price. So I'm not expecting that the price until tomorrow will go lower than 70, but day after tomorrow that could be 69. Close my short positions. When exactly? When this yellow line will be at the bottom, because we have a squeeze channel and go slightly lower. You see, squeeze channels always slightly lower. Wait for this. I'm not afraid. I'm good. Let it be like this. Yeah. Why you gonna want this app? Not because of something that we create here. Yeah. This is for the people with the like wants to get knowledge, who wants to get information, who wants to trade, who wants to realize how to make money. I disrespect stupid people. I disrespect who are stupid but they're smart and who don't want to become smarter. I disrespect this type of people. But unfortunately, there is a lot of people lucky to be let's say smarter, richer, healthier, etc. But only people who's not trying to change this, who's not trying to improve this, are fully deserving this respect of the life. So I'm not talking about all these things that we create for you here. No, this thing for people who gonna make some actions, press like, receive coins, share, receive coins. I'm talking to you about something that looks like this. When inside the app you're receiving the notifications on the different time frames, and the main thing right now, which I invent yesterday, but right now it works only with the other assets. Take a look at this. For example, as soon as possible, this sound notify me that I can update the page, and in a couple of minutes, I need to do a little bit. Give me a second. Okay. The middle of the, so it shows to you the main thing here. As soon as possible, guys, I'm that type of the person. That's fine. As soon as possible, you will have access to this app. Choose what type of the notification to receive by yourself. You're choosing the time frame. It will be way more easier. The things that we are creating here, yeah, for example, there should be a chart. Okay, we're gonna give access to this app for free to the group, to the people who are referrals, and you can enter your API key, and we right now working, so this system will trade for you. I'm promising you this. I'm not promising you this feature that this system will work for you. But right now, how the backtest looks right now, I will show people in the private group and people in the public group of the Telegram, link in the description. They knew exactly the time, the position. I asked them to analyze. Let me show you. In the Ukrainian group, sent his analysis, translate to English. For example, you see yesterday, 14th of March. I'm not sending it this right now to the United States group. He sent in this screenshot, is given the analysis, what he's doing. Why I'm doing this? To improve him, to give him opportunity to give me more information. So he opened these positions. Guys, this is the paper trading account. This is the demo account. That's not real money. And he's still not closing them. You know why? Because the higher time frame. I will show you. Because of the higher time frame. Take a look at the weekly time frame. What do you see? The divergence, the squeezed channel. Until summer, price will be closer to 90, 100,000. Relax. The daily time frame phase showing to us that we're still not reaching that. But please, could you please stop doing this? I don't want to use my second hand. Sorry for this. So be aware of the manipulation during the next 3 or maybe 4 days. They happen in the next 6 hours because of the Asia session, because of the Trump, because of the oil. Be aware, just fucking be aware. No. Which are the 5 hour and the 4 hour. The daily time frame, yeah, they are squeezed. So just be aware because there could be manipulation. You should be prepared for the manipulation of March. When is gonna be the next buying points for me? Here. But when exactly? When the daily time frame will be at the bottom. I know that it's hard for you to understand the system. You don't have the notifications, you the things that could show you something. I understand that. I'm not trading signals. I'm not sending signals to the people. I'm especially with some bullshit fucking coins. I'm just showing you the way. And I'm trading. You know what? Better to say I was showing to you. Ну, типу, я показував. I've been showing. Both of them been right. Thank you very much, Mr. Andrew. Thank you very much, Mrs. Sonia. Could I ask you for a glass of water? Showing to you. I've been showing to you. For example, one more thing, guys, thank you very much for the support that you showed to me. Andrew, you should do this way before, like yesterday. Thank you for supporting my decision, and thanks to my partners that they support me, because sometimes I'm feeling like I need to do this live stream. I should do this live stream. Thank you very much. Go show yourself. Go show yourself how beautiful you are. So I'm trying to create something, not because people need it, because it helps me to survive my mistake, which, and I'm sublimating my everything to the app, which gonna be useful and helpful for people. So if I'm gonna get back here, thank you, Mr. Assistant. If I'm gonna in the middle. So if I'm gonna get back here for the next couple of days, and as soon as possible we're gonna drop it, people will have all these things that you can put, notifications for buying, agent which gonna analyze for you. Is unfortunately I have this only on, not on the laptop, because I'm not gonna go right now to take a API key. But if you put in the API key, of your personal AI assistant, and you're gonna go here. I just recently created this. I will show you. I will show you. Сонь, я відправлю тобі кілька скріншотів, це для мене. I will show. I'm gonna send the screenshots from my phone to my girlfriend, and you will see how it's gonna be useful for people. And where is the screenshots? So how it's gonna be? It will analyze everything that you asking to analyze the system. It's gonna show you the, here in this things, the geopolitical risk index. It's gonna make the conclusion. I'm thinking one way, and I ask the AI to think the same. Make conclusions. He gonna send you armed conflicts, nuclear storm, orchestrated collapse of the Iran during the energy transition. But he's not gonna use my tokens. He's gonna use. Then he's making you conclusion. You calendar. You put in the assets that you are interested at. You putting the face which you are interested at. You put in the bullish face. Yeah, for example, the bullish face in the meaning of the daily time frame, not the weekly. The weekly time frame is bearish. That's why in the guide everything will be explained to the people. What the fuck? And it's analyzing the closest news. After that, look, and my favorite things, the most popular video on the TikTok, but I'm not doing them anymore. I like. This gives to you face assessment and the crazy conspiracy theory becoming 8 of 10. So you just given time, which has the prompt, please think like Andrew. Oh no, thanks God that there is no mute. So the things that I'm creating, giving people a little bit more opportunity. Put the keyword or ticker, put the face by the time frame that you're analyzing, or send the link on a pack if this is the confirmed fake bullshit news. And after that, the AI will make conclusion. He will try to show it to you. Geopolitical risk index, which gonna try to think like in the meaning of the asset and the face. And it will make, as I showed to you here, There, you see, like the forecast, non-farm payrolls, like the forecast. I don't think that this is gonna be right. I need to double check the forecast of the news. Right now, it's making like in the meaning of what you given to him from the forecast of the asset. Screenshot, and it will be absolutely insanely interesting this week. So I'm trying to do something useful for people that you're gonna use. Will be useful for people like, okay, I'm gonna log into the app, I'm gonna claim my coins, I'm gonna check the asset, I'm gonna make a spin. You see, like I need to I'm gonna open the chest, I'm gonna get the present. This thing, like calculator, let's update. You need to the button to calculate everything. Calculate all dates. Ba-bam. Now you see, like he's calculating the dates. I don't need to do anything. AI will do everything for me. From my phone, from my laptop, from my fucking Apple Vision. Like, who cares? Who cares? Just give your thought to the system and he gonna do everything for you. So he made the calculation. Pressing the timeline, it's giving me the corridor. I'm pressing the generate the Telegram post. It's making the post. I know the dates, yeah? For example, I know the dates, when to buy, when to sell. Andrew gonna sell daily time frame, and Andrew buying, let's say today, yeah, if you don't mind, and it's gonna add this type of things. Way more easier. As soon as possible, the person who's inventing the app, which looks like that, probably not this one, yeah, not this one. Our partner who's inventing this app, which automated dates. You don't need to put the date by your hands. You just choosing the asset. You go into the profile, you to settings. You pressing on the, for example, I want to change silver on, let's say, MSTR. As soon as possible here, MSTR will give me, you see? So I'm wasting my time on the things like that. You know why? Because I don't live streams like that. Not anymore. From now on, I'm gonna reinvest my money to these things. Yesterday, for the $30, one kid on the Rodeo Drive been running around the Rodeo. Oh, the ELCARO app. I was like, there is no app right now. Apple Store. Stop it. Just make the content and I will pay you for every video. He said, how much you gonna pay me? I was like, $100 for 100,000 views of each video. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. So as soon as possible, we're gonna make something that will help you to press one button. And inside of this, for example, the agent, yeah, you pressing the one button to buy, to invest or whatever, any asset here. You pressing to him, like, I'm gonna, for example, you just, here, there is no AI here, AI only on the phone right now. I'm gonna tell you everything. There's gonna be the huge conclusion. You telling to him when to, and you're gonna receive the notification. Either turn on your API key from the exchange, and it automatically gonna buy you that type of the notification bottom that we are at the top. The influencing everything, it's not gonna make you a billionaire. It's not gonna make you a billionaire. But how many people will pay $1, $5, $10, $100, whatever amount of money to receive opportunity for to receive opportunity? For example, if you're gonna watch videos here in this YouTube channel, you will receive the information when Andrew bought the Oracle, when Andrew bought Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, when give insane profit for a couple of days. Insane. You know why? Because the Roth IRA account, like my pension account, I hope that I will never to withdraw money from this account. I hope. So for me, non-taxable profit, 30%. If you're gonna go and watch the video on the YouTube here, oh, I love my partner changed the and watch this video 3 weeks ago. Every asset from this video give you at least 10% movement. VIX here. I never analyzed VIX before. There is some assets that we analyze in private group. For example, this one. Just Google it. Show you the things that my partner developer even tomorrow or yesterday he sent it to me yesterday, and he things, so I will show you the screenshots of the conversation. You don't need to do too much. So this guy is going to be the second screenshot. He said that just show it to the people. Like, could you analyze this asset? Can I? No, there is no button. Oh, there is button to translate. And what else? What else? What else? So let's get back to the chart. So he said, analyze the which blocked you, which banned you permanently, lifetime ban on the previous blockchain conference. And he sent me the his forecast. He's telling, like, you see STRC. Until yesterday, I even didn't know that there is this and what it means. It's really mostly we're trying to give information. For homeless people, we've been trying. Right now, I'm good with the private group. I'm good to go there to tell them, I'm sorry. I was Soviet Union cartoon where was the man, and at the end of the movie he's telling at the end of the cartoon he's telling to his neighbors, because I didn't have the bicycle. So I'm gonna go to the private group and I'm gonna tell them, like, hey guys, because I've been trying to feed homeless people with the fucking Michelin restaurant food. I'm gonna say I'm sorry. And as long as I'm gonna tell them my story and I'm gonna say I'm sorry, they will listen to my story, because this story contains the information about could be fucked up on the market. The Miami watching this about your XRP position. For me, it's first one, you're not the last one who's trying to fuck me. There was the guy from the Canada, $10 million losses. Like the losses was $6 million to him, that the Ethereum will go to the $1,400, and you need to scale your position, and closer to the July 2025, you need to send few percent from this $6 million losses. After that, he's telling me, I never said that before, and I'm sending to him the conversation And he said like, why you have the conversation? I was like, because you asked you, so you're not gonna forget where you buying, where you selling. And there are his words. Yeah, like, I know. And I'm laughing from him. You're not the first one who promising me golden mountains from the fucking Hobbit movie. Save the gold, you need to save the treasury with me. We're gonna pay you, but after that, you fucking trying to fuck me, but I'm telling I'm good. And since then, this person never texted me. He going directly to the support team. Hey, access to the algorithm. And no offense to you if you're watching this. I'm that type of words. I will pay you. And I'm a fucking bullshit. That's it. I don't need to make business with this person. So as soon as possible, his subscription will be ended. I'm just gonna tell him, sorry, no offense, $100,000. Why? Because we're gonna drop the app. Maybe we're gonna create app free for all. Maybe we're gonna create thousands of dollars. Maybe I'm gonna create $10. We're gonna discuss this. Because to be the world savior is, how to say, like, the unthankful job. Yeah, like no one. There is still people who's texting, it's lagging, it's hard to listen, it's hard to. I'm saving your time. That's type of person who I am. And that's type of the discuss with the person, because we paid for the 6 months of the marketing on YouTube. We waste 2 months on the videos. Where was the first one? I think, oh, you know who notified you about the 1st of February? That's fine. This one. It's 15th of January. Ah, okay, we posted on 17th of January. And for the last couple of days, you already knew that I'm not dropping. Even if it shows 2 days ago, if you're gonna go and take a look at the timing. Why I should do this? I really don't see this. Because 2K, 2K, 1K, 2K, 2K, that's showing that viewers are good, are the people who's pressing the like button, for example. There is 300. I'm not making the right content. So it means that this content doesn't fit the audience. What can I do? I need to change the content. Because people want to see Jake Paul, Logan Paul, and I'm fighting against. I hate this type of content. But I don't need to waste my time for 300. I don't need to waste my time. That's the law. That's the things that I don't want to do. I know that you want me to go through the BV, etc., etc. But unfortunately, now I'm gonna analyze how many likes you press. Okay, 200 likes. I read the message. You will be disappointed. You will be disappointed, unfortunately. Probably from the next week. For example, yesterday I was on the Rodeo Drive, and I'm not gonna post. It's not interesting. There was mostly each other for $1,000. Will you knock them for $5,000? Will you steal from this shop? Like, this kid's been like, I'm gonna scream anything about pay me. I was like, you fucking, like, you're selling your ass for the small amount of money, but that's fine, they are kids. the influence that they're receiving from the social media is terrible, but they are always trying to get in. Will invest, but they are trying. So okay, it will be fair enough to just give you my conclusions of everything. So guys, once again, from here I'm expecting manipulation. I'm not expecting price to go lower than $65,000-$68,000. I'm not expecting price to go lower until the end of the March. But the manipulation could be here, something like to take this liquidity, maybe slightly lower, maybe slightly lower. If that's gonna happen, it's still pretty good dates to buy. Yeah, I'm not gonna change these lines. Let them be here. Then March, we're gonna go higher. Once again, I still want to see 78, 82,000. I still want to see, like, yeah, we touching this for the second time. On the third time, probably until the end of March, I truly believe that we could break through and go to the 78. What's happening? 6 people subscribed on because you have the 1-day free trial. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for doing this. Just check. I will definitely change myself. I will change my attitude. I will try to be calmer. I will to make a lot of things. I'm working on making life easier for me, because when I'm not feeling pressure from people with their questions. Take a look at this. 121 question. Every day I'm trying to read questions. Still. Oh. That's fine. Okay. See only the partner who's making edits. That's fine. That's fine. Give me yeah, only editing. Like this is the private conversation. This is the private conversation. I don't want to be... That's fine. So until the end of the month, from the end of the month until the May, we could see pretty bad. And from here till here, that's the end of March, beginning of April. Once again, from the middle of April till beginning of May, remember these dates, just write it right now so you will double check it. That could be one more opportunity to buy. Before that, once again, it's going to be the beginning of April when the 4-hour time frame will be at the bottom. It's going to be in the middle of April, and that's going to be closer to beginning of May. I will try to catch exactly the daily time frame bottom, like here. The daily time frame bottom, like here. I'm not going to buy right now. I don't need to buy right now. I already have my positions. So I'm going to wait for this guy to break through the squeeze channel. I'm going to wait for this guy to break through the squeeze channel. Why I'm telling you about the next couple of days? Because here, 19, 21. I think that there could be manipulation. So right now I'm going to expect price to go once again higher. But from tomorrow, or even today, before the Asia session will open, it's 3-4 p.m. Los Angeles time zone. See manipulation once again. I'm not in any moment. I'm already in the position. I'm already fine with my position. It's 70,000, 200, 300, 400 something. I'm not scaling my short position. Let it be there. To be calm with my stupid long position. My long positions are the same, 4% in the position. 4% on the Bitcoin and 3%, 3.5% on the Ethereum positions. I'm good. I'm good. If the price will go to close my short positions at least on one more half every time I'm closing, I'm notifying people in the private group. If we're gonna take the Ethereum from the previous live stream, my expectation that the price is not gonna go too high, yeah, we go higher, positions on the Robinhood here. And as always, sell, buy, sell, buy. It's not easy, I'm telling you. It's going to me here. I'm gonna stick to this plan. Yeah, the first buy. Made a screenshot, but there was no videos on the daily. Like this short was catched by me. I show it to the people, like I'm scaling. What day it is? 13, yeah, 13. You will see. I already posted the same screenshot to the give me a second. Maybe it was 12. Huge, huge. I'm gonna add more to longs. Same position before. 7th of March. No, no, not this one. Yeah, here it is. 13th of March. 13th of March, 7th. Fin is the smaller position than the buy bid. Big one scaled closer to 78, 80K. So nothing changed for me. I catch this moment on the bluffin. The price, yeah? This is the entry price. So you can find the same thing. I can show you right now the screenshots from the same. Till here, that was a good profit. I part of the position. Let's say part. I will open. I show it to you. I show it to you. You see, like sometimes I'm making mistakes while typing. Partly short. I'm adding small short. So the but like, sorry for my English. You saw very close part, one more part to catch this moment, to catch. Right now, once again, my friends, just to let you know, please be aware of the next few days. This week, once again, will be manipulation with the gold, silver, with the oil. I stuck. We inform you for the last couple of weeks. Basically, you're gonna be on your own. The volatility, take a look at this. Take a look at this. From tomorrow, volatility going up. From, oh, you see the icons which I've been creating. Okay. You see squeezy channel. So be prepared for good movement of the volatility closer to, like, let's say from today to, take a look at this, from middle of April until the end of May. But from the end till July, once again, from end of May till the end of July, what the price will do? That's the until now. That's enough for you for the next 4 or 5 enough until the end of the year. So the main thing that you need to realize that right now I'm gonna buy end of June, beginning of July. From there I'm gonna sell till summer of 2027. I'm buy. From there we're gonna find on the lower. But just remember, in my opinion, personal, that's not advice for you. The end of June, beginning of July could bring. I'll check it once again. September, December, June, the end of June. Yeah. The price will be between 90 to 110. That's, oh, you cannot see. So 26, something closer to 90 plus $1,000. Here's the daily, yeah? Since when we've been talking to you about this movement down? March, like 1 year ago. How many times we should show it to you? How many times? Always talking about this bullshit. You see how many green lines here at the end of 2026. So please be prepared that closer to the end of 2026, the price will be lower than 38, 37. 95% probability showing to us that we shouldn't drop lower than 7. But who knows what they're gonna receive. The Satoshi Nakamoto wallet moved the coins on the crypto exchange. The Michael Saylor losing his mind and he's starting to sell. Oh my god, guys, those of you closer to, fuck, I even don't know, like just probably go to the summer 2025 live streams, summer 2025. There should be the day when I'm drawing this line, find the day, the $500 promotion code on the full access to the app for 1 month. Notified when like stop. But the first person who will send me the live stream when I'm drawing March till June, July. Video, find the time code, find where I'm drawing this. Remember the layout. Remember the layout. It like this. Since the app using this layout. So find this one, send it to me. Fucking insane. I need to open the MSTR here. MSTR, because here we have the, you see, this line will turn around, the MSTR will die. That's $. Then I'm gonna buy MSTR. Then STRC the same, but the STRC will always, it's gonna give manipulation when the MSTR is struggling. We'll come back. My friends start to text me. I'm checking the microphone. So just be prepared for this. Nothing gonna change. But the main thing will happen on the daily time frame. Probably he start to sell from April till June, the end of June. You see? I'm gonna stick to the end of June. In my opinion, everything that he's doing, that he's putting right now on the bottom, because before that, I'm buying. Who will tell him he just gonna calm his people? The scapegoat. Once again, how many times we've been telling to you since April that the M or the crash, and only after that people start to make pretty fancy videos. So maybe I need to start making fancy videos. Warp and once again, you know, like the person with the extra chromosome who's in the like daily video because he need a client. I don't need anything in this life. People since December that in the next year I'm gonna start making I'm gonna start making the marketing. I'm gonna hire the team. I'm gonna make to showing you, to feeding your greed, like. And since then, let's get back to the chart. What do we have here? This is the admin panel. You see? You see? The private group. Mark my words. And the bot, the cheapest price will be X5. My words. I know what I'm doing. I don't need to make videos on the daily basis. You know why? The biggest secret. Trying something for a couple of months, He realizing that this doesn't work. He's stopping doing this because if I'm going to continue to do that, I'm going to receive this. I will explain it to you. It will be easier for me to explain in Ukrainian or Russian, but you're stupid, so you're not gonna get it. So I will explain you. I'm so smart that I'm realizing that people like you thinking that, oh, he's just bullshitting me. But then you're gonna come back to this channel, oh, there is no daily videos. Oh, there is no weekly live streams. How can I get the information? Even if sometimes he's wrong, but he was right so many times because I was making jokes. So I've been watching his video. My wife said that I'm fat and I need to get rid of this belly while he was watching how what the price of the asset will. And I double checked. The price did exactly the same as he said. Okay, sometimes he's making mistakes. But how many times? Right now I'm right by telling to you the fucking receipt. Like the fucking script. Clients by trading it, not threatening him, trading, by showing them what I'm gonna do, why I'm gonna do, and when I'm gonna do this. That's it. This is the basic things in the business. I said that 2026 will be business for me. An enormous amount of money from the market. It gives me opportunity to do whatever fuck I want. To talk to the people whatever fuck I want. I don't know why I bought the stupidest thing in my life. The stupidest thing in my life. No. I'm making mistakes. And what it's gonna give to me. So don't. You're not gonna see the after tomorrow video. In the next couple of good videos, for example, let me show it to you. This video, I think this, yeah, you see, like this, it's fucking papaya, you saw? Ugh! So in this video, you can see. This video, we're adding the pop-ups to show people, to explain people. So unfortunately, this video should be dropped on Saturday. So, guys, why so many people texting to me right now? Oh, I think the guy found the MSTR. Bro, thank you very much. You're receiving the promo code from me. I will send the promo code to you immediately. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. I will show it one time. Show it. Show it to Michael Saylor. The promo code. Give me a second. I will send it to you right now. Oh, here it is. One premium activation go spend. And you know what? I'm gonna tell you. Right now, if you're watching it, resell it. Just not. Hey guys, I'm gonna resell you the promo code for $300. Who cares? Just do that. Or get access to the app. 12 assets. Call to your friends. Ask them what asset you want me to analyze. What asset you buying. What asset you selling. What do you dollars for 1 month of information. Tomorrow, probably tomorrow, there's gonna be update with the trading filter inside of this app. probably tomorrow. So I'm taking subscribe of Algo, and I love you, bro. Thank you very much. Oh my God, it's so... That type of people for whom we're gonna create the events. That type of people. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, I don't know your name. I will say more. And your content, no matter what you say. Yeah, thank you very much. The right now, immediately. Just do whatever you want. Make a present to someone. Show it to someone. Like, because in my opinion, that's only my personal, humble, stupid opinion. The things that I've been doing for the last 10 years, I've been trading. I've been investing into the cryptocurrency. The things that I've been doing for the last 13 years, I've been trading, speculating the currency. The things that I've been doing since my surviving, I've been trying to get rid of everything my parents give to me in the meaning of money, in the meaning of the system acting, reacting, doing for their life. I've been trying to get rid of this, and I've been trying to get rid, in Ukraine we said, to break the chain. Що таке poverty? Poorness or poverty? I love my parents. They're best parents. They are not financially smart. They are not. So I just told to myself, once when I was 5 years old, I go to the zoo with my grandmother, the elephant who's shitting himself, the giraffe, and after that we go to the section shit, like drinking pee, and I'm definitely not the same as the elephant. I'm definitely, there is 0% that I look the same as the giraffe. Like the evolution made me from the apes. So basically, I can do the same. Right now, I can drink my pee. I will receive the same results. If I'm gonna be reckless driver, at the reckless drivers, but also I'm gonna receive the experience. So every time when I'm doing something, I'm receiving experience. That's for the person who said that, oh, he will do that. Bet me. If I want to do something, for example, you watching at me or you watching at someone else, some fitness coach, some relationship coach, someone who scratch, or I don't know, building the house. If you're gonna repeat the same actions, you're gonna receive the same results. But if you're gonna change something, the results will be better or worse. If it's worse, you tell it to yourself that's not working. If it's better, you find the key. I've been telling to myself since 18, before 18, PC person as my parents. They're funny, they're smart, they're beautiful, they're like, they best life in their lives. But there is no money to put there in something that maybe they even don't need. People in the United States, they spend in their 60 plus years, yeah, like when they retire from the job, from the work, from the business, they live in their best life. My parents right now lives in their late 60s, mid 60s, and it's definitely not the life when they are going on the Maldives. It's definitely not the life when they are buying the convertible and driving across the coast. No, unfortunately. So I told myself that, Andrew, stop repeating the script of these two persons. Stop repeating the script of your classmates. Stop repeating the script of your neighborhood. because you're going to receive the same results. And I said to myself, so this family hate each other, they fighting. Why? Because they don't have money. This family are unhappy because they cannot decide should they send this kid to the university or that kid. This guy going to the psychologist to buy some fancy things to his girlfriend, so this girlfriend putting the pressure on him because he's not buying flowers, because he cannot afford to buy the good car, the good clothes, I don't know, like to move her to the better place, to go on the vacation, etc, etc, etc. So basically the things that the psychologist is not telling to us, that the 80% of all problems in the world will be solved when you're gonna solve only one problem: the amount of money on your bank account. Everything is for sale. Everything is for sale. There is the billion-dollar yacht. There, the thing, the futures, almost the same. You moving by the water. There is the same with the flights, with the car. For example, I bought it in the fucking fast food restaurant for $20. This shirt cost more than t-shirts in the H&M or Zara. But it's definitely not the layer mass or whatever. So there's always something where you can pay more for. For example, this laptop, X10. This machine costs $600. The difference, this camera or any other cameras that I have, this camera costs $3,000 for the new camera. This camera costs $100,000 for the new camera. Can I afford to buy this camera for the new one? Yes. Do I need to do this? No. This is going to be the stupidest thing in my life. So I'm trying to find the used camera. And right now, when I bought it for the cheapest camera in the world, I'm telling to myself, that was one day trade. I was happy. My friend from the New York said to me, hey, you deserve this. You want it? This camera, when I'm wearing the Gandalf, I'm trying to use the tarot card to tell people when to buy, when to sell. I tell myself, you know why? Because I understand what I'm doing, and I understand from this. If tomorrow I'm gonna like lose everything, I'm just gonna take this camera, I'm gonna drop the advertisement on the Facebook, and I'm gonna tell to the Instagram video on the Airy camera, here I am. Can do something. But when you just doing the same thing as you've been doing for the last couple of years, and you're receiving the same result, oh my God. Oh my God. You're wasting your time. What are you gonna tell your kids? I'm sorry, yeah, it's a tough decision, but this year you're gonna go to your. Thank you, Mo. Thank you very much. You helped. Like yesterday, I sent to the Ukrainian community. I want to be the part of the team. I need the person who's gonna go through every video, and you're gonna receive the algorithm. Like we giving you algorithm. You just watching the videos for us, and you sending us. I don't have time to rewatch this, but I understand that there is so many precisely good things with the Apple, Nvidia, Tesla. Oh my God, Tesla, one of the best for 2025, one of the best. Like, for the algorithm, and I'm offering them to spend a lot of time by now, who's familiar with our content, who's familiar with our system, free content. So he said to me that the only thing that I can do is to watch the videos, but now he's offering me for the same thing access to the algorithm. At the end of this video, I will receive at least 5 people who will text me, hey, I'm ready to do this. I'm gonna watch all the videos, I'm gonna say like the mod did to me. Thank you very much, I really appreciate it. I know what I'm doing, and the best thing that I'm doing in my life with my fucking fatty belly, if I'm fat right now or not, I'm honest with the things like, hey guys, that's my mental health. Because if I'm gonna lie, in my mental storage, there is not gonna be room for mistake. So I'm honestly clearing my own mental health. It's free, so it means that the capacity of this fucking room, hundreds of mistakes, and I'm not gonna go crazy like the guys who's like, just fortunately, we need to gain fucking experience, we need to upgrade our level to understand that, okay, so I'm making $100 per hour or per day or per week. How can I make this per second? Okay, my salary is $10,000 per month, but my boss salary is $1,000. So it means if I'm gonna do the same type of money, but everything that he's doing, he's fucking distant, he's playing golf, he's drinking the expensive wine, he's driving the fancy car. And for that, he's receiving a thing like that, that's the type of the thing that he's doing. No, he's smart. His deals to make his business, to make his like responsibility invisible for stupid people who's gonna think, oh, he's lucky. No, Ukrainians, I asked the AI agent how many hours I spent for the last 2 weeks in these apps. He said approximately 150 hours. I've been sitting here and making this. Today I woke up at 6 a.m. Go to gym, I make this breakfast, I go to the shower. That I don't give a fuck about these live streams anymore. You know why? Because I'm not satisfied of likes with the amount of respect you're showing to me. That's why there's gonna be the live streams which gonna be prepaid. Apple Music, or maybe the price of, my HBO is the 4K. I'm paying $20. MC Theater just recently sent me the notification. I have an opportunity to go to the cinema 4 times a week on any movie, premiere, IMAX, whatever, 3D. Even if there's gonna be 10 people who are gonna pay for this $25 per month, it's gonna be $250 to my pocket. Because right now, I'm just even cannot pay for electricity from all these sources. I cannot pay for this, you understand this? This live stream cannot pay even for my AI system, which I'm paying every month. So just understand that. People in the private group will receive them. I will try to, I don't know why, I really telling you, I don't know why. Maybe I need to lower the quality of the live stream. I don't know why it's happening, but I will figure out. The FPS is too low. The FPS is, internet is absolutely perfect, like the 400 megabit per second. It's pretty good speed, but somehow it's not distributing this speed. I need to call to the AT&T. Hello, Mr. AT&T. Trying to show you something. I've been honest with you. I've been trying to explain you everything. Once again, this live stream is for me. If you want to receive something else, link in description. If you don't need it, just skip it. That's fine. Once again, I don't need you there. I don't need you there. If you want, you can be there. I will try to change the type of the content on the Instagram and the TikTok. We will try to show you, like, here is the 15 live screen of the iPhone. Ask the person, I'm gonna ask the valet guy, I'm gonna ask the concierge, like, what day is it today? So I'm gonna make the video. I'm selling, I'm doing, like blah, 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 and then you're gonna see the results. Yeah, I want to get back to the huge positions, but it's definitely gonna happen absolutely the same way as I'm telling to you, like 10 times in a row I'm gonna be right, 1 time I'm gonna be wrong, or 5 times I'm gonna be wrong. That's nothing. If you have a system, if you have strategy, if you're moving as you said. And the results will always be 17 of breaking my own rules of the diet. For example, you know what I ate today on the breakfast? The fucking chicken wings. You know what I did yesterday? I drink. You know what I did the day before yesterday? Ordered the McDonald's, and I was like, fuck. French fries, nuggets. So I'm breaking my own. Guys, that's fucking insane. I will show you. I don't have after. I will show you after. Probably 17. Not today. Not today. Results. I'm not gonna show you my body because I'm embarrassed. Body that I have in the history of my life, but I will show you the weight. It's not the huge one, yeah? 179 pounds. It's not the huge one, but this guy, I'm not gonna show you the body. This guy looks like someone told to my girlfriend that I'm a billionaire, and she was like, yeah, I'm gonna fuck with you with the closed eyes. I hate my that day. Right now, I'm not in the perfect body shape. No, not like 21. But I'm definitely way more healthier, way more, I don't know how to say that, like shredded, stripped than it was before. And this is only the pattern of the act. How many times during this live streams you saw that I'm drinking the water? And the second one in the morning. I'm trying to change myself because money is not everything in our life. It's not everything. I can repeat the same action so many times. Big money. That's gonna be the big money because people who's sending me offers from there. I need to fucking change the microphone. I don't know what's happening with this microphone, but I hate it. It's something. Okay. I know there's a little bit more information, but I don't want to talk about the market because I'm spending too much time on the market. Like even right now, like here, I see the price of the market. I can put the price, like, you know, like there is the screens that could put the screen on the camera. I can put the market price there and I can like always talking about something without watching the screen. Maybe even, you know, like in the next couple of, how it's gonna look. I will show it to you. If you don't like something, just fine. So desktop 1, I need to have the desktop 2. How to do this? Desktop 1. Fuck. I don't know. Give me a second. And you like, just shut the fuck up. I don't need this information. What are you gonna do or what are you not gonna do? The display settings, the displays, okay. This one is for extended display, yeah? Okay, extended display. And how I can move not available windows. Why? Fuck, I don't know how to use this thing. Oh, desktop 3. No. Fuck it. I will fix. I need to go. I'm telling you, thank you very much. It was really, really interesting trip, interesting opportunity. Really good time with you. Not with everyone. Stupid people. But that's fine. If you're angry, if you're greedy, if you are not the same vibe as I am, that's fine. Just go and fucking follow Kardashian. That's fine. Why are you still here? Because useless piece of shit, because your life is disaster, because you are so pity that even your mother wants to put you back to this vagina and give a birth to some random, like, you know, like in The Sims, you just press in the random button and the new character will appear. You're so pathetic that every girlfriend that you have, if you had a girlfriend, been telling you that, so you also have money. No, okay, I see. That's fine. Just ask yourself a questions. If you're not making that type of content, then why are you here? If you're so fucking rich and smart, here, you just want to be humiliated. You know, there is the people who's paying women, so they're gonna knock their balls out. They're gonna do some crazy things with that. I'm good. I hope you're good as well. Learn at least something from this video. For me, yeah, the 2024, 2025 was way more easier because people need to spend a lot of time by like analyzing, by like watching, oh, this guy was right. And every time when I'm telling to the people, there will be the day when you're gonna lose your money. There will be this day. That's always about our choice. That's always about our decisions that we are making. I've been trying to be honest with you. Still honest. This thing's showing to me. This thing. You see? We're still not at the bottom. That's why I'm not afraid about my short position. I can even write way more money to the short position. But why should I do this? Why should I do this? If I'm gonna put it here. If I'm gonna put to the long, I'm gonna put it here. Fast, stupid decisions. Oh, just you're not afraid of the short position. Just put a lot of money there. For what? to show you the profit? When was the last time when I showed the profit? I said to the people, I'm tired of. Even my partner who's making the edits, he was like, what the fuck? He said, when you making trades in both ways, when you notifying people, that people from the private group, so what should I do with my short position? Go. I don't know, like still trying to. You see, I'm that type of person. This thing is fucking killing my brains right now. What your fucking questions doing to me? That's why I create the manager. You putting questions there, I'm starting the live stream, I'm answering the questions. Win-win situation. If I don't want to answer the questions, I'm not gonna answer them. You know why? Because I can. Freedom, you know? We are Ukrainians, we are free. Not right now, not in Ukraine, but everywhere else we are free. Freedom! Like the Mel Gibson. Braveheart, you know? Pretty good movie. Watch it. So just don't be afraid, my friends. Don't be afraid. You're still gonna have chance to make money. You're still gonna have chance to be fucked up with the trades. But from here, 15. I don't care. I don't care. Movement down right now. I'm gonna close short positions. I'm gonna open long positions. I'm not gonna be a stupid person to open long to open short. Even here, I'm catching this position in front of the people on the live stream. I'm only half of the position. Then I'm gonna scale. I'm closing the break even, the price that I scaled. I show it to you when I'm texting to the people. I'm closing the part, closing one more part, and still didn't close everything. I'm showing to the people, and I've been explaining to you the things, like the amount of money right now immediately, your average, but you can close part of the position and you will have this profit. Like I'm showing always this type of things to the people, like how the fuck. Give me a second. Okay, if you don't mind. This is the one account. And there is another source of income. There is another accounts. There is a lot. Like people think that, oh, the next week Andrew will give us more information. Maybe yes, maybe no, I don't know. But I'm telling you. Information like I'm giving to you. Give me a second, I need to reload the page. I'm ready. Let's go. You see, somehow it's not working. It should show me something. Not working. Oh, you see, he fixed. Did you ever saw anywhere the chart of like the minimums, the maximums, etc., etc. I'm trying to give people some information, but unfortunately, for you, it's not for you. You see the mistake? Mistake in the profile. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you. I'm telling you this. I'm the type of person. I'm like the teacher for you. Do you remember the teacher? Do you remember the personal trainer? If you go in the martial art, he's been fucking like jump, push-ups, 55 circles. If someone make mistake, everyone running a couple of miles. Everyone make. I'm that type of person. When I made mistake, we have a call. Алло. Мы готовы. Вы там уже? Давай, мы сейчас приедем тогда. Давай. Ага, давай. Bye. Goodbye.